everyone, welcome back to our channel Gauri Art Division Studio, and you are with me again, Radhi Damar Bangkara, and we have a special guest for this session of the project. This is Pak Made from Koridor Watak Karya.
Hey,
How are you, Pak De?
oh good, Pak. Very good, thank you.
So we're going to check the drone first, and after that I'm gonna have a question, question for Pak Made about the land and who is the client that we're going to service the design here. Let's check it out the drone first. Okay, that was the drone side. We have preview everything from the sky, the situation around. Let's ask the project with Pak Made now. How are you, Pak Made?
Oh good, Pak. Very
Yeah.
good, thank you. How are you, Pak?
Good, I'm good. So, how big is this land, Pak Made?
This land is totally is 18 acre.
18
but,
acre.
But we lease for 16.9.
16.9.
So because we make it new access that will be for the temple. We build 3-meter access on that side, so we cut this access. So all the land will be totally 16.9.
16.9 acre, and we have some access there, yeah.
Yeah, on the back.
This will be, we can remove this one, eh?
This will be removed to the back.
Okay. So I heard something about the situation here. Is there a special condition that we need to apply for the project later?
Yeah, because this regulation here, like we have a temple here, like this old temple here. So we should make it like a second story that should be like we have 10-meter space from the access.
Okay.
So there's your chance now how you make it design.
Okay. So we
With,
cannot do two level then.
Two level cannot be like in 10-meter from the access. It can be
Oh, so we from that line we need to go 10 meter, yeah.
10-meter, yeah. But for the first story, so like a normal building can be.
So we didn't do the 2-level building in this area, but in that area it's okay, yeah.
In that area.
Like in the area that really near with the rice field. This is clean, yeah. No,
Clean.
not green zone.
Not the green zone. This is yellow zone.
Okay. Our client is. Do you know the client?
Roman in the Pak Roman and Miss Olga.
So this is their third project.
Yeah.
Before we have like
Together with them.
factory, their villa in Umalas, and this is our new project with them in Cepaka. The first time in Cepaka. Okay, I think that's it for discussion with Pak Made, and we have the land survey done. Let's go back to the studio later. Okay, thank you, Pak Made.
Thank you, Pak Rade.
Yeah, that was the explanation that has been given by Pak Made Dupayana. Is Mr. Wayan's brother from Koridor Watak Karya. So basically, Pak Made is a person that in charge for looking a land. If we had a client that wants to build around area Tabanan or Canggu, so we got all the information about the land itself. I have met with Mrs. Olga, Mr. Roman, and Mr. Igor. So this is their new partner that are going to be involved in this project. We have discussed many things together. So like free from the client, and I'm with Yogi also. We discuss everything. We have meet on their factory at Denpasar, Tuku Umar, and we already also meet with their villa that we designed before at Umalas. Many input from them, and the thing is, we need to be careful with the area that near the temple. So we not build 2-story in that area, like 10 meters from the temple. So we're going to build three building near the temple, and the other 2 building that's going to be near the rice field. Total design that we're going to apply like 5 villa, and I think some of the villa is going to be typical, and the other is going to be a little twitch or like modify a little bit. But first, let's discuss about one of the design, because we're going to design it pace by pace, stage by stage. So one unit finish, continue to the other, and so on and so on. Okay, we open the design first to discuss further about the design. Okay, I have opened the layout. Then I will explain about the land, how we design and we develop it. So we divide the land into 5 area. So we have like two bedroom and three bedroom that we're going to design, and we're going to do it step by step. So the first land that we design is the one on the left side. There is 321.75 square meter. That's gonna be 2 bedroom, only 1 level. Very simple design. So let's open the layout. As you can see here, this is the design. The villa, we call it villa number 1. The land area is 321.75 square meter. The building size is going to be 154.81. So this is like a proper size for 2 bedroom. If by design, I always make standard for 1 bedroom is 60 square meter. So if it's 2, it's going to be 120 square meter. It's like minimum size of bedroom. That's already integrated with the kitchen, living, and dining. But if I see here, the build area is 154.81. This is quite big space. Quite a big space. So this is a very nice 2 bedroom setup with the pool 20 square meter. That's for the size for the pool. Let's check it out the layout first. So you can see in the front area, when you come from the road, that's going to be a parking on the left side, and in front of the parking space you will find the entrance gate to the front yard. So you come inside, in the front of the entrance you're going to find a storage and a laundry. So we put the storage and the laundry in the front area, so it's easy later for the maid, for the person that wants to check about the electrical, the panel and everything. Sorry, the panel will be on the side of the entrance, so everything that's going to be like a service and check or maintenance is going to be easy if we put it on the front of the property. Then you go to the main building. You step inside from the entrance of the building. On the left side will be a toilet. You have a sink and a toilet there, and the kitchen is on the right. In front of the kitchen is going to be, in front of the kitchen island is going to be the dining room, and beside the kitchen on the top is going to be the living room space. So basically L-shaped building. This is maximize everything for the view orientation, and the circulation will be good. Each bedroom is going to be on each side at the end of the L shape. So the first bedroom is on the left. When you come inside, it's going to be on the left after the dining area, and the top is going to be after the living area space. It's quite typical design for the bedroom. So very simple. The pool, this pool is designed similar as what we have already on their previous villa on Malas. So it applies something that quite similar with their original design from Mr. Roman and Mrs. Olga. And yeah, a very simple setup. What I have in request by Mrs. Olga yesterday, that she wants a jungle vibes. So Mediterranean touch. The color tone is like more into like creamy or like soft brown. So, and also Yogi is charged as the designer for the interior part with Bayu. They meet me already with Miss Olga, Mr. Igor, and Mr. Roman, but the input is more from Mrs. Olga for the interior. But anyway, I think that's it for the discussion about the setup and the layout. Let's see now the 3D image that has been done by the team in rendering. Check this out. part of the video project, I call it this project ROI, ROI, because Roman, Olga, and Igor. So this is owned by three of them that own this project, and at the moment the progress is already, like the design has been complete for one unit villa, and we're going to go forward with the CP Kodewata Karya as the contractor, and I hope this project is going to be started as soon as possible because it's a good timing. This is an early year 2024. The rainy season is not too much, so we can do the excavation for the foundation, and after we finish the first design, we're going to continue with the second, the third, 4 and 5. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in our channel. Let's check it out the other video later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.